Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on this sweet Halloween scrapbooking workshop, and as you can see, it comes with this great guide. It's super cute. It has cutting instructions for you if you don't get it pre-cut at my workshop, and then assembly instructions as well with some tips in there, so it's very handy. So this one, you get a sticker sheet with it, and you can see that I've got quite a few stickers left over after I did basically what they recommend their recommended design was. So you have enough to do a whole nother layout with all these stickers available. And it did come with two, all of the scrapbooking layouts actually come with a couple exclusive papers. You know they're exclusive because they're white on the back. They're not part of the actual paper pack, but you got some pretty big chunks of this exclusive paper that matches really nicely. There's also some of this pink hash marks and some of these candies, some of that left over too. So you could easily make a whole nother layout with those stickers and stuff. Okay, so this is layout number 1, and it uses these super cute die cuts of these critters, and the featured optional technique in this is actually using your Stampin' Blends to color the stickers. So the stickers actually come white, and you add in some of the orange and the green. It recommends you having the pumpkin pie and the granny apple green sets of Stampin' Blends, and it comes with two. It comes with the actual color and then a lighter color in each of the packs. So your one pack contains two markers of the same shade family. So anyway, on this, when you see, well, that's not true because I don't know. Did I color the candy corns? Well, I don't know. I know I colored the pumpkins for sure. Um, and then so this one was just nice. So we've got this big panel of black hash mark color over here, and then we add a little bit of that purpley petunia pop around here, add a strip of the orange pumpkin pie going across. And then we've got some of that exclusive paper in here just to kind of highlight that title a little bit. And then if you add some dimensionals to bring up some of that shadow, it looks extra good. So that is layout number 1. And then these photo mounts are actually glued down because they are photo mounts in themselves. So this is a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, ready to hold your 3 by 3 with a little white outline. So that's how these work on here. Layout number 2 uses the petunia pop light side as your base, and you could do the dark side if you wanted to have it a little bit brighter. That's very easy. And then we got the gray in the background and a little strip of gray here, a nice big chunk of the orange hash marks, some black behind here. There's the stripes of that exclusive paper right here. And then I colored the lollipops, yeah, and the orange pumpkins again. And I also colored the front door using my green. And if you want it to be lighter or darker, color it twice. So this one you can kind of see that I made the panels a little darker just by coloring it twice. And same with this. These are not settled down. So these are just reminding us of where those photos need to go. Some of them are glued down, so these ones stay, but these two appear to be floating, and this one you put a photo on top of. So it's up to you, of course, how you use the photos and how your photos match with the intent of the page, but it's very cute. And our third page has us putting down these orange lines, and these orange lines first with the candy in the background, and then adding, of course, those dimensional elements, keeping a little bit off of the photo so you have room to put your photo on there, and colored the little pumpkin. So that is our sweet Halloween scrapbooking workshop for September. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.